I look back now like it was tough, but being a latch kid had our generation, I mean, we were tough. We just figured it out. But maybe we also just never thought about, well, how do I get to that happiness part? Maybe we never saw that. Maybe we never witnessed what that was, or maybe it was just, oh, happiness is a nuclear family. Everybody stays together. Well, I'll tell you what, kids would rather be from a broken home than live in one. And this is a mother and child here in a stained glass window. Knight of Swords, this healing, once you get yourself happy, it's not selfish because it affects everyone around you. How's that selfish?